Hey everybody, Dan, Binder Boneyard. Just doing a quick walk around on Palmolive, the little Scout 800 owned by Josie. Well, I'm lucky enough to be her boyfriend. So we did a quick engine cleanup, reseal, paint, added some vent tubes, just cleaned it up. Just gave it the once over. Scout got 373 gears put in it. It got the 2.5-inch rough country lift. We did some wagon wheels and powder coated some wagon wheels, and she did the interior. See that nice seat. Did the floors in white Raptor. The Raptor liner holds up pretty nice in that application. Josie did the seat herself, and she's doing all the upholstery for us now here at Binder Boneyard. So, it comes out pretty nice. So soft top was a nice addition. The 373 gears really help this thing go down the road. It had the 427s before, and the little 266 was just screaming. So yeah, it's really helpful to have gears like that for a daily driver. Got the 31-inch all-terrains, powder coated bumpers, rehabilitated license plate. It's got our aluminum fuel tanks, new filler necks. Overall, the Scout drives great. Those updates really just go a long ways into making them enjoyable. So yeah, this is a daily driver. Josie drives it damn near every day. She'll probably not drive it as much this winter when it starts snowing, but for right now, she drives it every day, and she's got the dead bugs and the road grime to prove it. So anyway, hopefully that was informative, and if you have any questions, let me know.